Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung panibagong partnership or pag-giveaway ni CoinGecko, which is with Oasis, guys. So, si Oasis is another blockchain, guys, for the gamers. Para siyang to make it zero fees, and yung speed niya for the transaction will be fastest. So, ganun yung kanyang background for the project. So, now, nakipag-partnership siya. So, it's another learn and earn ni CoinGecko ito, guys. Tulad siya nila Say Network, nila Nim, kung nagawa niya siya way back before at nakakuha kayo dyan. So, may panibago siya. So, ito si Oasis, guys. So, pero, may mga mas maraming tasks ngayon, guys. As you can see, kailangan nyo itong gawin. So, tuturuan ko ito ng step by step. Kaya huwag kayong mag-skip. Stay tuned at the end of this video. And for the quizzes, guys, i-post nyo na lang later on. But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. Before, mga katulad nga na kailangan nyo lang sa portfolio, pero ngayon meron siyang another task. As you can see, yung complete the tasks at OceanDict. So, yun yung gagawin natin bukod doon sa quiz nila. So yun yung number 3, guys. So, only 2,000. Kadalasan naman 2,000 yung winners na for the eligibility, for the eligible. Pero here, wala naman siya nakalagay first come, first serve. So, will be randomly. Katulad siya ni name na randomly. So, let's hope na isa tayo. So, equivalent yan ng $10 yung papapanalunan natin, guys. So, ngayon, i-ano ko na baka maubusan tayo. Sayang naman, guys. So, nakita ko na nakukuha lang sana ako ng candies kasi everyday, sayang naman kung hindi tayo makakuha ng candies. So, ayan, 400. So, mas malaki, diba? Yung kailangan exchange. But, kung manalo ka naman, diba, for $10, sayang din naman katulad kila Say Network and Meme last time. So, now, ayan. So, here, kailangan natin gawin yung complete the task at OceanDict, guys. So, meron siyang kailangan ito easy follow and retweet, guys, yun yung kanyang task. But, I think, bukod dyan, meron pang kailangan gawin. As here, yung campaign period niya, it will be ending sa January 17. Okay. So, 2,000 yung maging winners dito. So, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet and then connect, of course, your Twitter account, and then you need to fulfill all of the requirements. So here, ayan. So we need to, muna, itong gawin natin yung application form nila bago tayo mag-quiz, guys. Although meron siya, nakita ko ito, meron yung quiz, I think, isang mes lang ata yan, guys. Which is, nakalagay naman, is you need to follow lang naman siya, guys. And then here, yung second one is, will be the kailangan siya i-add sa inyong portfolio. So, CoinGecko portfolio, guys. So, ayan. Umpisahan na natin, guys. Ito muna yung number 1 natin gawin. So, let's connect our MetaMask wallet, guys. So, mas okay sa akin kasi kung desktop. So, di ba nakita nyo kanina nasa mobile phone ako. So, pero nakita ko meron nga mas ka sa akin, convenient. At nakalagay naman sa Google extension ko, guys. So, input ko lang aking password, and then click unlock, and then click next, and then click connect. So, here, you need to not signed pa tayo, guys. So, pero kailangan natin i-connect yung ating Twitter account. Kasi kailangan natin mag-follow, diba? So, allow auto-apply action permission. So, here, actually gagamitin ko dalawa kasi may CoinGecko ko. Isa kay mom, isa sa personal ko. Dahil mas marami yung candies sa mother ko. Yun ang ating gagamitan, guys. Which is yun yung magdadirect sa kanyang Twitter account. Kaya hindi siya nakalagay na Majestic, guys, or GNMadge. So, ayan. Wait. This is unregistered. So, kailangan i-registered. So, kailangan natin muna mag-sign. Kailangan natin muna connect. Then, sign ata tayo muna bago i-connect. Okay. So, sign muna natin para ma-register yung ating MetaMask wallet dito sa kailang application form. So, click sign. So, wait natin. Ayan. Okay. So, kailangan i-agree muna. So, not registered pa. So, pero mapunta naman kayo dyan. Pag dumapunta kayo dyan, kailangan nyo i-click yung agree and continue. So, kailangan siya i-scroll down, guys. Okay? And then, ayan, reconnect, kailangan i-reconnect. So, click register, guys. So, mayroon din siya ditong quiz, pero ano lang yan, one quiz lang daw yan, guys. Pero, it's only to follow. Okay, so papakita ko yan, guys, kung ano yung follow natin. So, kadalasan naman dyan is Twitter, and then Telegram, or Discord, diba? So, ayan. So, but unahin muna natin i-follow sa Twitter account itong Oasis_games, and then kailangan natin i-repost din yung kanyang, yung quote, yung campaign post, guys. So, okay. Ayan, i-open link ka lang. So, ayan. So, mapunta kayo sa mismo, ano, yung nakalagay naman dyan, blockchains for games, guys. So, ayan, na natin. So, later na natin i-refresh para makita natin check. So, kailangan ma-fulfill yung apat niyan, ganyan, guys, para at least is ma-qualify kayo for the, for the giveaway nila, guys. So, sayang din yan. So, wala naman kayong kagasasan dito. It's all free. So, kailangan nyo lang ng candies. Yun nga lang, you need to get or claim everyday candies para at least kapag may ganito 400, 600, diba? I think 600 na yung pinakamataas. So, at least, like, mayroong at least more than 600. Kasi, paminsan sabay-sabay naglalabas, paminsan isa-isa lang, diba? So, sayang din yan. So, here, ayan, natapos na natin yung campaign post dito sa, but check nga natin itong kanilang website. So, kailangan ito mag-vote. So, I don't know. So, naka-Japanese siya. So, next, i-connect natin yung ating MetaMask. So, check natin para mag-vote tayo. Pero, ayaw nga, vote wallet. Ayaw nga mag-connect. I don't know. Baka may problem yung site. Ayaw nga mag-connect yung aking MetaMask here. So, pero, sabi sa akin ng friend ko, upon checking, ayan, nag-message siya sa akin, na kunin nila yung link sa yung di ba yung repost natin, guys. So, ayaw nga talaga. So, sayang naman. So, gusto ko sana mag-vote ng up, diba? So, ayan. So, pwede nyo siya i-ano. So, I think baka may problem lang yung website. So, anyway, kunin lang natin yung link nakalagay, naman dyan, dun sa may answer sa box. Kunin na lang yung put URL of X post. Kung ano yung nirepost natin. So, kung, ayan, diba yung nirepost natin kanina. So, copy link lang natin siya. Yung arrow up, para yung share kapag using desktop. Pero kapag naka-mobile phone, inopen nyo yung sa mismong app ng Twitter, yung parang pang-share na logo, yun yung kailangan nyo i-click para makuha nyo yung mismong link, guys. Then, let's start quiz. So, di pa natin ito okay, Telegram. Okay. So, we need to follow official Telegram group. So, copy na lang natin. Pwede nyo naman siyang direct. Dito ba naman kasi naka-install sa akin. So, paminsan is pwede siya i-click para pero sa akin kasi ayaw na mag-direct. So, kailangan talagang manually. So, ayan, na-yes na natin. So, ganun lang siya. So, entry, yan yung fulfill. So, click na lang natin. Kasi total tapos na natin yung apat. And then, ayan, nag-thank you naman siya, guys. So, if you want to receive email notifications, baka meron silang updates or you can input your email address, guys. Para at least ma-update kayo, baka meron silang may mga new games or meron silang partnership or meron silang pag-giveaway. So, at least mana-notify kayo, guys. So, apply for other campaigns. So, ayan, meron sila dyan. So, now, let's go back to our CoinGecko. Wait. I-follow muna pala natin yung Ocean Dict. So, ayan. After that, so pwede na natin mag-proceed for the next one. It will be the i-input siya or kailangan ilagay sa ating CoinGecko portfolio. So, all you need to do is click the star under the ayan, guys. Kailangan siya i-click and then click my portfolio. So, ayan, once na siya, yellow. Pero kailangan siya, guys, screenshot nyo na siya guys bago kayo mag-start mag-quiz kasi kailangan yan by end of the quiz kung ginawa yung Kalasay Network kailangan na nakalagay siya sa inyong portfolio. So if you want to read kung talagang interested kayo sa project ng Oasis, you can click lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, but kung gusto nyo natapusin yung quiz, pwede nga naman siyang i-click na kagad yung mission take the quiz guys. But of course, kailangan nyo i-copy the access code na kinuha nyo. Okay guys, so ano siya, randomly naman, kaya masyadong marami yung pinamimigay nila. Hindi siya first come first serve, so it will be randomly selected. So now, let's click start. So hindi naman siya kailangan magmadali. So ayan. So, basta kailangan lang siya matapos guys. Yung nakalagay dyan until January 17, 2024. May expired siya until January 18, diba? 2024. So, pwede nyo siyang tapusin until January 17, guys. So, pero kung gusto nyo siya, baka kasi maubusan kayo, kahit mag-claim kayo now, then gawin nyo siya tomorrow or basta until January 17 matapos nyo siya. So, this is the question number 3. So, this is the first question. What information do you refer to when making investment decision in altcoins? Please select up to 3 most applicable options. So, kung gusto nyo guys, i-ano nyo na lang, i-post nyo na lang siya guys, para during nagka-quiz kayo, para alam nyo yung mga sagot guys. So, tatlo to guys, tatlo yung ating pipiliin. Okay, so first, let's read. So, I think the tokenomics, tama ba? Wait. Ayan, tokenomics and utility of the token. And then the next one will be the market capitalization or FDV. Fully FDV, yun. And the next one, it will be, wait, hindi ko makita. May team dapat yun. Team. YouTube. PC, trading. Ayan, team structure and background. So, yun yung tatlong choices na ano natin. So, now, let's proceed to the next question. This one will be which statement of blockchain gaming and impact. Letter D, blockchain gaming has cost. Yan. Number 5, what features of Oasis make it an ideal blockchain platform for game development? Letter C, its combination. Yan. Number 6, what is the primary role? All of the above. Kadalasan naman kami all of the above. So, yun lang yan. That's all. Pagdating number 7, sabi ko nga sa inyo, you need to screenshot yung nailagay nga siya sa inyong portfolio. Kung ano yung nakita nyo kanina picture dun sa example nila, so yun yung kailangan i-screenshot guys. So, once na i-screenshot nyo siya, ayan diba? Ayan, ito yan. So, at least kailangan naka-yellow na yung star niya dyan. Para at least nakalagay na, indicate na yan na ano na siya, na nakalagay na siya sa inyong portfolio. So, once that, kailangan nyo siyang i-upload here. So, once na-upload nyo siya, guys, you need to click next once na nakalagay siya na okay na. And then, ayan, kailangan siya i-complete yung Ocean Dict na task nila. And then, click yes, and then review, and submit, guys. Ayan, so, check nyo, double check nyo, guys. Baka may ma-miss kayo or may mali yung napindot nyo. So, and then after that, you click review and submit na guys. So, ayan, thank you. So, na-submit na yan guys, ibig sabihin. So, wait na lang natin. I think after January 18 na yung lalabas yung results. Paminsan naman binibigla naman tayo after, kapag ganyan naman is 1 month naman yung kanilang yung inihintay. So, at least, diba, wala naman kayong gagastusan dito, just an effort, diba, yun lang naman. So, malay nyo, isa kayo sa 2,000 winners na makakuha ng tig to $10. O, diba? So, sayang din naman siya. So, yung iba, actually, di ako nakuha ng NIM, pero nakakuha ka ng SAY, diba? And then, sa mga other, partnership with CoinGecko. So, iba kasi first come, first serve. So, kapag first come, first serve, meron siya, dapat at least 4 PM here in the Philippines, guys, yung time niya. para at least is dun kasi parang here dun siya lumalabas yung mga partnership niya. Okay? Kaya every 4 in the afternoon ako or mga 5 ganyan ako kumukuha ng candies para to check kung meron panibago or wala. So update ko lang kayo guys kung meron panibago si partnership with Koing Gecko. So until next time, goodbye! Let me know.